Hello everyone. Today I will be discuss how to create dynamic parameter job inside the Jenkins. And let's start. And this is a dashboard of Jenkins, and you can see here new item and click this one new item and create new job, and you can see here this is a job name and select job type freestyle project, and after that click on OK. And this is a general description here, and put here description value like that, and after that select here discard old builds and put here 5 and 5, and after that you can see here this project is parameterized, and click this one here, and you can see here option add parameter, and click this one, and you can see here multiple option boolean parameter, choice parameter, and file manager like that, and select here multi-line string parameter like that, and set here your name and put here your default value, and after that we can add more parameters here. Click this one button, click here, and select here choice parameter, and just like put here your name, and after that here put here your choice, and after that you can add more product. You can add here parameter, more parameter like that, boolean parameter, and you can set your name, and after that in build section you can see here add build step and execute window batch command. Basically, we are using Jenkins on window, then in which case we have to need set value here execute window batch command. If you are using Linux, in which case you have to need select execute shell. But now I am using execute window batch command because I am currently working on Windows, and select simply put here like that, set here your parameter value like that, and I have set parameter value name, and inside the percentage sign we can set value of name like that and country like that and build status, and after that click on apply and save. And you can see here build with parameter, and simply click here over this build with parameter, and you can see here a window. In this window and default selected value, you can see here name and country and build status. Simply we can change this one value as per my understanding, and like that country USA and build status true, and after that click on build button. See here job number 1. Inside the console of job 1 we can see here this is my name and my country. You can see here name and country and also build status. Okay, thank you so much. And in this lecture, in this video, I have discussed about dynamic parameter in Jenkins jobs.